Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum and I am out at the monthly two-gun match here at Pima Pistol Club in Tucson with, I'm very excited to say, almost the first What Would Stoner Do 2020 rifle. What I actually have is one of, in fact this is serial number 2 of the first test run of KE15 or KP15 polymer lower receivers. And Russell Phagan over at KE Arms has spent like yesterday doing finishing operations and cleanup on this, and I went ahead and dropped my What Would Stoner Do 2017 upper onto it, and I'm out here on Saturday to actually run this through the two-gun match. So we're going to have some of my stage runs here, but we have 3 different people who ran 3 different examples of these rifles through the match. We have a bunch of discussion with myself and Russell from KE and Karl, and what you should do is watch this and then head over to InRange TV and check out the full video of how these did in the match for everybody.
All right. Shooter, are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by! Hey! Hey! 2 sticks! Hey! Hey! No sticks! Hey! Hey! 1 stick! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Well, I was trying to cut the knife.
Hey! No sticks!
I think all it needed was.
Hey! Shooter, if you're finished, unload, show clear!
Whew. I had trouble seeing the long-range targets, especially with the dirt that was getting kicked up, but no problem at all here on the short range.
Shooter, are you ready?
Good? Yep.
Stand by! Hit! 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 Hit!
Matho, you're up.
Hit! Last one.
There's an eye on there.
Yeah, Matt H, right? Hey! Unload, show clear! Who's recording?
I'm rushing my shot still,
5, 1, 7.
but
5, 1, 7.
rifle's fantastic.
5, 1, 7.
Stand by. Hit. Hit. Decock it. By hand. Hammer slip. Hit. If you had an actual decock. That's why I got the hit. 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 I've fought this match with mine and one, and I've done it well.
Woo! You're finished shooting, you can unload and show clear. Look at that. I took my time a little more there. Could have been a faster run, but actually felt pretty decent. Especially, I got a nice run of hits at the very end, and that always feels good. Unfortunately, this is an early testing run of the receivers, so we don't have the PDQ, so I don't have the ambidextrous bolt release here, which actually would have been nice for some of the shoulder swapping that I had to do to actually get a sight picture.